In this video, we'll tackle common issues and provide quick fixes to get your Windows 11 or 10 updates back on track. Let's jump into it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, ensure your internet connection is rock solid. A shaky connection can cause update errors. Check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, and if needed, restart your router for a fresh start. Step 2. Run Windows Update. Troubleshooter. Windows comes equipped with a troubleshooter just for these situations. Type Troubleshoot in the search bar, select Troubleshoot Settings, and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It can automatically identify and fix common issues. Step 3. Clear Windows Update. Cache. Sometimes, the update cache can get tangled up. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows key plus R. Type services.msc and hit Enter. Look for Windows Update, right-click and select Stop. Now navigate to C, Windows Software Distribution, and delete all the contents. Finally, restart the Windows Update service. Step 4. Check date and time settings. Believe it or not, incorrect date and time settings can cause update errors. Double-check that your system time and date are accurate. Go to Settings, Time and Language, and adjust your settings if needed. Step 5. Manually reset Windows Update components. For a more thorough approach, you can manually reset Windows Update components. Microsoft provides a script for this. Visit the Microsoft support page, download the script, and run it as an administrator. It's like giving your update components a clean slate. There you have it, Windows wizards. These quick fixes should help you tackle those update errors on Windows 11 or 10. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech troubleshooting tips. Until next time, may your updates be seamless and error-free.